Introducing the Gator GHDVR85W, a compact barrel dash cam with built-in Wi-Fi smartphone connectivity, GPS data tracking, and hand gesture control. Full high-definition 1080p recordings of your trips for peace of mind, security, and undeniable evidence. The Gator GHDVR85W produces superb video quality day and night. The 152-degree angle lens captures a wide field of view to ensure an incident is never missed. The GHDVR85W features Wi-Fi connectivity, which enables wireless smartphone connection via the free Gator Dash Cam app for video downloads and camera settings adjustments. The dash cam also features GPS data tracking, allowing you to track previous driving routes and speeds on video playback. The hand gesture control function offers the safest and most convenient way to take photos and save recordings on your dash cam. If you see an incident or just want to take a photo, simply wave your hand under the dash cam and it will securely save the file to the memory card. While driving, the GHDVR85W will record in a continuous loop, overwriting old files with new files to ensure you will never run out of space. If an incident is detected by the built-in G sensor, the dashcam will automatically protect this file from being overwritten, so the footage can be safely retrieved at a later date. Protect your vehicle in the car park with the advanced parking mode feature. Capture 1 frame per second and record an impact while the vehicle is parked. Designed to be connected to a 12 or 24 volt vehicle accessory socket at all times when in use, the GHDVR85W also features a supercapacitor that will provide enough power to safely secure the recordings and shut down the dashcam when power is disconnected, even in the most extreme of conditions. The GHDVR85W is easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started. It comes with the dashcam, adhesive mounting bracket, the GPS antenna and power cable, 12 and 24 volt in-vehicle dual USB adapter, 16 gig micro SD card pre-installed in the dashcam, and the product manual. To find out more about this model or to view the complete dashcam range, please visit our website.